Good morning children. In previous class we have discussed about the place values. So today's our topic is ascending order. Now let us take some numbers for ascending order. 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 9 and 1. These are the numbers I have taken for ascending order. So let us take some of the objects to related these numbers. 9 means we have to take 9 objects. Let us count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9 for 9 objects. 1 for the next number is 8. Let us take 8 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our next number is 7. So let us take 7 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now our next number is 6. Let's take 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our next number is 3. 1, 2, 3. And our next number is 2. Let us take 2 objects. And the last number is 1. So observe it clearly. For 9 I have taken 9. For 8 I have taken 8 objects. For 7, 7. For 6, 6 objects. For 3, 3. For 2. So in this, which are the least object? You can see here it is more. Here also it is more. Here also. Here also. Which is the least object in this all? Yes, 1. You can see only for 1. You can see only object among all these. So we have to put 1 first. And next number. Now see again the next number. 9, 8, 7, 6. So here is the less objects. Now arrange the less object next. 2. 2 is the another less objects, less number. Now see another number. 9, 8, 7, 6 and 3 is the another number. Arrange the 3. Now see another object. Here you can see many objects for all the numbers. So let us count. See here 9 are there, here 8, here 7, here 6. So comparing these 3, 6 is the less. So we have to arrange 6 next and again 9. Now after that see 3 objects are there, 9, 8, 7. So in this least is 7. So arrange 7. After that 9 and 8 are there. Comparing these two, we can see the objects. If you arrange like this, you can see which object has more. So 9 is more. So least is 8. So the next number is 8. So arrange the 8 here. Now see the remaining last digit is 9. So we have to arrange the last 9. What do you observe children in these? So what do you observe? You have observed that the ascending order is least to greater, smallest to greater. So what do you observe? What is the ascending order? From smaller to bigger. Okay. In this what you have observed? The numbers which we have taken are 9, 8, 6, 7, 2, 1 and 3. The numbers which we have taken just now, these are the numbers which we have taken. Now the numbers which we have arranged is in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What did you observe ascending order means? Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means small to big. Let us take some more objects, some more examples for ascending order. I will take some more numbers. Ten, 14, 11, 20, 23, 36. This is another example. Let us see which is the least among all these. Now see here 10, 14, 11, 20, 23 and 36. First we have to compare the first digit. You can see here 1 is there, here 1, here 1. In tens place, I am seeing in tens place. So here 1, here. So among these three, which is the least? So for the least, if you have any confuse, you can go to the next place. Well, in ones place, you can check it in ones place. Compare the ones place. Here 0 is there, here 4, here 1 is there. So which is the least among all these three? So 10 is the least. So 10. After that, here 4, here 1 is there. So which is the least in among these two? So 1, 11, and the remaining is 14. First we have compared these three. In these three, the least is 10, after that 11, after that 14. Now see these numbers 20, 23, 36. Here both same are there. In tens place 2 are there. So comparing these two are same. We will move to the next. Here ones place, here 0, here 3 is there. Among these two, which is the least? 0 is the least. So 20, after that 3, 23. The remaining number is 36. So the ascending order of these number is 10, 11, 14, 20, 23, 36. So in this also you have observed that the ascending order is small to big. Shall we take some more examples for this? Now I am taking some more numbers. 24, 36, 2, 18, 56, 48, 76. And you can observe these are all different numbers. Now see here 24, 36, 2, 18, 56, 48 and 76. Which is the least among all these? You can observe all 2-digit number. Here is 24 is 2-digit number, 36 is 2-digit number and 2 is a single digit number. So among all these the smallest, the least number is 2. So we have to write first 2 and after that here also 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, so 2 digits. Now compare the first digit of the value. Here 2, here 3, here 1, here 5, here 4, here 7. So which is the least? 1 is the least. So the number, what is that number? 18. After that 2, 24. After that 3, 36. After that 5, 56, 48, 76. So which is the least? The first digit here 48. 4, 48, here 56, the remaining value is 76. So using these also the numbers are arranged in smaller to bigger. So the ascending order is smallest to, you have to arrange the number small to big. So what is the ascending order, children? The numbers which are arranged in smaller to bigger is called ascending order. Now our next topic is descending order. Now let us see with objects. So I have taken some more numbers here: 8, 9, 7, 6, 3 and 2. Now see, let us take objects for these numbers. Count along with me. For 2 we have to take 2 objects. 1, 2. For 3 we have to take 3 objects. 1, 2, 3. For 7 we have to take 7 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 8 we have to take 8 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 9 we have to take 9 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next number is 6. We have to take 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let us observe now. The first number is 2. Let us observe. Now the first number is 2. We have taken 2 objects. For 3, 3, for 7, 7, for 8, 8, for 9, 9, for 6, 6. Now observe that which is the more among all these numbers. Which number has more objects? Now see here, comparing to all this, we can see here, we can see the more number of objects. So 9 is the bigger among all these. So we have to arrange 9 first. And then now let us observe the another number here. We can see clearly the 8 is the another number. Here 8 has more objects. Now arrange the another number. Now observe here which is the more among all these 2, 3. Which number has more objects among all these remaining numbers? You can see clearly 7. So arrange 7. Now see the next 2, 3 and 6. Clearly we can find out the 6 is the another number which has more objects. Now see 2, 3. 3 has more objects. Now 2. So what did you observe, children? First is the greater digit. Next compared to that it is small, compared to this it is small, compared to this it is small, compared to this small. So what did you observe? Descending order means big to small. What did you observe? Descending order means big to small. Now descending order. Just now we have observed what is descending order. Let us take the numbers 9, 7, 6, 3, 2 and 8. These are the numbers just now we have taken. Just now what do you observe? What is descending order? Descending order means big to small. So among all these, first we have to observe the digits. So these are all single digit number only. So 6 is single digit number, 9 is single digit number, 7, 3, 2, these are all single digit. So we have easily we can find using the single digit. In these, among these single digit number, which is the greater number? Which is the greater number? So you can observe clearly 9 is the greater number. Now next 6, 7, 3, 2, so 8. After that 7, after that 6, after that 3 and the remaining number 2. So 9 is the bigger, so 9 we have to write first. After that 8, comparing to 9, 8 is less. After that 7, after that 6, after that 3, after that. So descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. So descending order means big to small. We have to arrange the numbers in bigger to smaller order. So descending order means big to small. Let us take 2 digit numbers. Let us take some more examples. 23, 14, 36, 20, 18, 40, 5, 50, 50. Now observe these numbers. The numbers we have taken 23, 14, 36, 20, 18, 45, 50. For these 2 digit numbers, how you have to compare the numbers which is smaller or which is bigger. Now let us see the first digit of all the numbers. Now here 2, here 1, here 3, here 2, here 1, here 4, here 5. See, the first digit of all numbers are here 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4 and 5. Among all these numbers, with the first digit, which is the first digit? Clearly you can observe that 5 is the first digit. So we have to write 53 is the bigger number. Now the next number 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4. So 4 is the bigger number. So the next number we have to write 45. Now observe the remaining numbers 2, 1, 3, 2 and 1. So among all these, which is the bigger number? 3 is the bigger. So we have to write 36 and you can see here 23 is there, here 20 is there. So 23 and 20. The first digit for both the numbers is 2, same. So how we have to compare? We have to move to the next place, that is in ones place. So we have to observe in ones place. Here 3 is there, here 2 is there. Among 3 and 0, which is greater number? Among 3 and 0, which is the greater number? 3 is the greater number. So the next number is 23, and after that 20, and the next number 14 and 18. In 14 and 18 also same. The first digit is 1, 1. So we have to see the next digit in ones place. Here it is 4, here it is 8. Comparing to 4 and 8, 8 is the greater number. So the next number is 18, and the last leftover number is 14. So we have arranged the numbers in bigger order to smaller order. So the ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers in bigger order to smaller. So the ascending order means bigger order, big to small. We have to arrange the digits in bigger order to smaller order. Let us take some more examples. "56, 44, 3, 24, 38, 12. So these are the numbers 56, 44, 3, 24, 38 and 12. Among all these numbers, what did you observe? Here 56 is also 2-digit number, 44 is also 2-digit number, 3 is single digit number, and 24 is also 2-digit number, 38 2-digit, 12 is 2-digit. So among all these, same, we have to observe the first digit of all these numbers. So here it is 5, here 4, here 3, here 2, here 3, here 1. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, which is the bigger number? So 5 is the bigger number. So we have to write 56, and the next number 4, so 44, and the next number is 3, 38, and the next number is 2, 24, 12, and the remaining single digit number, last number, that is 3. So ascending order means here also we have arranged big to small. So ascending order means big to small. Clear children? Did you understand? Take some more examples of your own based on ascending and descending order. You have to do it in your notebooks. Thank you.